Right, okay, as promised, I'll be placing a backlight on the Sennheiser SK300 body pack. Let's undo the, as before, torque screws. It is quite a fiddly, tricky job to be fair, but you know, it is very doable. To be fair, that's the modern expression of to be honest. But there you go, if you can't beat them, join them. Remove the battery axle as before. T6 Torx machine screws. Do them first. Last time I took that off first, but it doesn't really matter, but we can do it either way around. Again, just very gently remove this clip here, as if your life's dependent on it, because if that goes, it's finito. Gently remove the main board, and be careful, these buttons here tend to fall off and you never find them again, so just gently move them out of the way. And next is to remove the 3.5 jack retaining nut. It's easier said than done. There you go. Ah, dear. Let's try it again. Oh, he's coming undone. Five years later. So after you use these body packs, do get a bit of moisture, sweat, you know, and you do get a bit of corrosion. That's that off. Next, to remove the LCD display, little clips there, 1, 2 and 2 together there. Just gently ease back the display, he says, and again very carefully remove this plastic clip here from the multi-connector. That's it, that's away now. And the serviceman LED is that little chap there, would you believe? So now we've got to unsolder it. I'll use low melting point solder. Quick chip. That's the kitty. That's the kit for removing components like this. Just apply a little bit of flux on the LED. Side. Just flood it with solder. Keep working at either side, and away it comes. That's it, that's off now. Thinking for the replacement LED now. In here, basically. So let's get a pair of tweezers. And we'll pluck one of them out. That's it there. Just about see it. I need to move this closer to me. I can't really see properly, so let's bring it over here a bit. So just place it on the board the right way up. It stuck to my finger now. That's the right way up. Bit of the solder braid just to remove the mounting point solder first. That's it. Now this LED is polarity sensitive. The positive side has to be facing towards the battery connector, so we can use a meter to the volts from the continuity test for the meter to check it out, check it the right way. Nope. So turn it the other way, and yes, we have a light. So that's the right position. It is a fiddly job. That's about it. Very gently apply some ordinary solder. It's not 100% level straight, but it doesn't matter as long as it makes contact. Doesn't matter. Try and hold the position here with this driver. Gotcha. Other side. That's it. Now before we reassemble the whole thing, we can actually test it. Let's get some batteries, make sure it's working okay. No need to reassemble it, you can actually test it from now. Here we go. Then you have a LED backlight working okay. That's job's a good one. So just a matter now of reassembling the whole thing. Starting with the LCD display. Gently push the clip back in. Yep. And gently push it either side of the display so it clicks into place. Replace the front cover. First finger tight, and then finish off with the side cutters. Not the proper tool for the job, but it gets the job done. So, next the front panel. Make sure the buttons are in place first of all, of course. Make sure the buttons are seated properly. Yep, they are. The RF PCB. Bit stubborn this one. There we go. That's it now. Push it all the way in. That's it. Place the torque screws. C6 torques first of all. And the T8 torques screw. Axle. And the remaining 4 T8 torque screws. Hopefully when we apply power it will burst into life with complete with a backlight. So it's a fiddly job. Obviously one of the things that as you do more of them becomes less taxing, but it's always a fiddly job. Right, let's see what we've got then. And we have a backlight. If I turn this light off if I possibly can. Bear with me. And that light there. You have a backlight. Yep, jobs are good. And that's it. That's replacing a backlight on a Sennheiser SK100 or 300 body pack transmitter. Done.